Has estate planning for your aging parents been on your mind as something that you know you need to work on, but you haven't found the time and the energy to deal with it, along with everything else you're working on? I can understand why putting it off is the easy choice here. But as a estate planning and probate attorney in Arizona, I want to give you a glimpse of what happens without the right estate planning documents. If your parents are incapacitated, meaning they cannot make decisions on their own, there are a number of things that can happen. One, you your the doctor for your parents will have to contact as many people as reasonably available in order to get their consent before a treatment, which from a practical standpoint can be really difficult. Financial institutions are not going to let you access the bank accounts, and you'll have issues accessing things like filings for taxes, mortgage companies, things like that. There's two easy solutions to all that. And that is to have a financial power of attorney and a healthcare power of attorney for your parents that lists both a primary agent if they're incapacitated and can't make decisions, as well as a backup agent. And we can list a number of those. What we can also do is figure out the preferences your parents have in terms of whether gifting should be allowed, whether certain types of things should be followed, whether you should be allowed to update their estate documents without their, if they're incapacitated or not. And some really important medical decisions. So, for instance, whether they want an autopsy, whether they want to donate their organs, whether they want to terminate medical care for in certain circumstances, whether they want a ventilator. These are all questions that I can guide your parents through the process. I can help them isolate what's important to them and what next steps are. And all of this is going to make your job a lot easier if there's an estate planning issue and a capacity issue. Not to mention, if your parents pass away, a will, at the very least, that lists who the personal representative should be, waives bond, and lists who should inherit the assets is going to save everybody a lot of time, effort, and frustration. And having those documents in their original form in a place where everyone knows where they are is ideal. I'm Anjali Patel, and I can help you with those things here in Arizona for your estate planning needs. Thanks.